Okay, let's get right into it. We're going to talk about something that's affecting every single one of us, whether we know it or not: microplastics. And I'm not talking about in the ocean. I'm talking about inside our most important organ, our brain. Now, this isn't about scaring you. It's about empowerment. It's about understanding what's going on and, way more importantly, what you can actually do about it.
And this quote right here from Dr. Eric Berg is exactly why we need to have this conversation. This isn't some abstract environmental issue anymore. No, this is an internal biological problem. The fight has literally moved from the oceans into our own bodies. And our brain, well, our brain is ground zero.
7 grams. Just let that sink in for a second. According to one report, that's the amount of plastic found in an average person's brain. That's about the weight of a credit card. Imagine a credit card's worth of plastic just lodged inside your head. Suddenly, this invisible threat feels very, very real, doesn't it?
And if you need any more convincing, just look at this. This chart really shows how serious the situation is for our brain. The data shows it collects anywhere from 7 to 30 times more microplastics than our other crucial detox organs, like the liver and kidneys. So the very systems designed to clean our body are being bypassed, and these toxins are just setting up shop right in our command center.
So what are these plastics actually doing in there? I mean, they're not just sitting around doing nothing. They are actively sabotaging your brain's function. They're imposing what you could call a metabolic tax on your cognitive energy every single day.
The main weapon that these plastics and forever chemicals use is something called oxidative stress. Now, the easiest way to think about this is like biological rust. These toxins cause damage to our cells, and that leads to inflammation, and that seriously messes with your brain's ability to operate at 100%. And here's where it gets really interesting and kind of personal. This attack has a very specific target. These toxins go straight for your mitochondria, and if you don't remember from science class, these are the tiny little power plants inside every single one of your brain cells. They're responsible for creating all the energy you need to think, to focus, to remember, to do everything.
And this right here, this shows you that metabolic tax in black and white. A healthy mitochondrion, it's cranking out about 32 units of energy. We call that ATP. But when it gets damaged by toxins like plastics, look at that drop. The output just plummets to maybe 2 units. It's a full-blown energy crisis at the cellular level. And what's worse, the byproducts aren't clean energy anymore. They're junk like lactic acid. That is the biological reason for brain fog. That is fatigue. It's that feeling that you're just not firing on all cylinders.
But, and this is a huge but, it is not all bad news. Not even close. We are not defenseless in this fight. Your body has its own elite cleaning crew, these incredibly powerful built-in systems that are designed specifically to fight back and detoxify. We just have to learn how to turn them on.
So, meet your first inner hero, the glymphatic system. The absolute best way to think about it is as your brain's personal dishwasher. Seriously. It's a dedicated waste clearance system, and its whole job is to flush out metabolic junk, toxins, and damaged proteins. And yes, that includes microplastics. Now, here's the crucial point. The glymphatic system pretty much only runs its cleaning cycle when you are in the deepest stages of sleep. This is why high-quality, deep sleep isn't some luxury. It's a non-negotiable, essential part of your brain's nightly maintenance. If you get less deep sleep, you get less cleaning. It's that simple.
And our second hero is autophagy. This is your body's deep cleaning and cellular recycling program. It's this amazing process where your body actually hunts down old, damaged, junked-up cells and toxins, breaks them down, and clears them out so you can regenerate with new, healthy cells.
So how do we flip the switch on this incredible system? Well, the most powerful trigger for autophagy is fasting. See, when your body isn't spending all its energy digesting food, it's free to redirect that energy to deep cellular repair and cleaning. The source material suggests that fasting for at least 18 hours is what it really takes to kickstart a serious state of autophagy.
Okay, so we've identified the problem, we've met our inner heroes, now let's put it all together into an actual, actionable plan. This is the 30-day deep brain reset. It's a clear, straightforward protocol to finally deploy your body's natural detox power.
And here it is. The plan is so simple, but it is so powerful. For 30 days, you just commit to these 3 things. Step 1, fast for 18 or more hours every single day to trigger that autophagy. Step 2, do everything in your power to maximize your deep sleep, which turns on that glymphatic dishwasher. And step 3, this is key. Track your deep sleep cycles. This becomes your main biomarker, your actual proof that your cleaning crew is on the job.
So the biggest takeaway from all of this is that you are not a passive victim here. The solution isn't some magic pill or expensive supplement, it's already built right into your biology. You have the power to consciously activate these incredibly effective, natural detoxification systems every single day.
And that really brings us to the final question. Just think about it for a second. What could you truly achieve in your work, in your relationships, in your life, with a brain that's actually running on clean, efficient energy, completely free from that metabolic tax of plastic pollution?